Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing first impressions of the ETS intake for the 2022 Plus WRX. That's my VB WRX right there. I've just put on the ETS intake, no tune, we're running it stock. This is first impressions. I'm actually filming this before I've even put it on the car. You guys are going to jump into the car with me literally for the first drive. So you're going to get raw first impressions, my thoughts. I've never run an intake without a tune on a WRX. I usually say don't do it, but we're gonna just see what happens anyways. Let's give it a run. Let's see what you guys think. And you're gonna see what it's like from somebody that just doesn't do this and has always said not to do this. We're gonna see if my opinion changes and just what I think. Let's hop in the car and let's make this happen. First impressions with the ETS intake. We're gonna let the car warm up. Oh, we're already getting a little bit of purr. We're doing a POV here. Just because I know this is going to be one of those videos where I can hear a lot of what the intake's doing, but it's going to be hard for the camera to pick it up. So I want to give you guys a POV. These are some of the first miles that I've driven with this new intake on the car. I'm actually so excited because I can already hear it breathing. But we're doing this live. I mean, I drove a little bit, like a couple miles, and this is the actual, this is really the reaction. This is pretty raw. The intake has been on for less than 24 hours. Let's just see. Oh man. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but holy moly, does that sound good. Wow. You know, with the VA WRX that I had, my 2016, the Cobb intake was really loud. This is not as loud as that, but it's amazing how much this car changes when you just can hear a little bit about the car and what's going on, and just letting it breathe. My goodness, even when I'm just in sixth gear, oh, I can hear the air coming in. Oh, it feels so, I don't know. There's something about these cars where if you let them make a little bit of noise naturally, the car is so much more fun to drive. It doesn't even have to make more power. It's honestly just more fun to drive. Let's downshift a little bit here, coming around some corners. Big truck, blind corner. It was a pretty easy install, wasn't that expensive, and for the sounds it's making, oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but even just going from 30 to 40 and letting off in third gear, it's making pretty substantial noise. And I know that making noise is always controversial, but I've got to say, right, these cars are not race cars, right? They're fun, they're fast, they're quick, you can make them fast, but they provide a driver's experience. And part of the driver's experience is hearing what your car is doing. And my goodness, does a little bit of intake noise make such a difference from a driver's perspective. I know this isn't a very technical video. This is just raw. You're experiencing the emotions as I experience them. And honestly, guys, I don't say this often, right? I'm usually pretty critical about parts. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Just for the sound. Forget power gains, forget anything else. The difference in what a little bit of sound makes for this car is remarkable. All right, we're gonna slow down for a second so I can do a little bit of a pull so you can hear it. Oh, can you guys hear that? That sounds so good. Well, I know this was a short video, guys. I literally just wanted to record my impressions kind of coming off the grip so you guys can kind of feel them. We're gonna do a little bit more with this intake, from the perspective of testing it, sound clips, all that kind of stuff. I just wanted to make a quick video on my first impressions. I'm so glad I put this intake on there. I will say, I know that there's a lot of intakes available for this car. I really like the design from ETS. I like the transparency. I like the results from the tuning aspect of it. I like that it has a sleeve. I like that you can remove the sleeve when you're tuning it. I like the ability to customize a little bit here. But yeah, this is my raw first impressions. I'm really happy with it so far. We're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna quickly get tuned here so you guys can understand what it's like tuned. and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.